Today we will see how delicious strawberry candy is made in the factory. First, the raw materials are being mixed. Now, the sugar, glucose syrup and flavours are put into the vacuum cooker. The mixture is boiled with the help of a boiler. Now, the candy mass is being cooled on the table. After that, the mixture is added into the candy mass. Now, the candy mass is loaded into a machine. The candy mass is being shaped by the rope sizer machine. After that, the candy mass is cut with the help of a cutting machine. Now, the candy is cooled by a conveyor belt. The candy is loaded into the hopper. And now the candy is being packed with the help of a packaging machine.